So we sell a scheduling program to managers and schedulers who want to get scheduling done faster. Unlike TrackSmart, a competitive scheduling program, our product allows the scheduler to easily create the best possible schedule by taking into account employee positions and availability. It also sends reminders to your phone as a little bonus. So the problem is basically that there are several issues with how work scheduling is done today. Scheduling services are really helpful, but there's probably a way to improve on that and make it even easier and less time consuming than it already is. So after working in various fast food places and restaurants in the past and arguing with our employers trying to get time off and usually failing, we've really been working on getting a solution on that. So our solution is that we came up with an idea to optimize work scheduling, making a program that would make it faster, allow protection against unforeseen events, such as an employee calling in sick or needing time off for some emergency or something like that. It would send constant reminders to minimize scheduling mistakes. Like sometimes employers and schedulers forget to check the sticky notes on the little bulletin board, or just forget in general that an employee needs time off and they schedule them and things just don't work out. So this allows both the employee and the scheduler to voice their scheduling concerns so that both will understand their scheduling priorities. And this would really make scheduling easier for managers and would make it easier for employees to get the time off that they really need.
Basically, the scheduling software is made to create the schedule for you. All you have to do is give it the proper restrictions, and the rest is completely automated. Let's say that you manage, let's say, a small restaurant where you need a cook, a cashier, and a cleaner all at the same time. In our program, each employee has an associated job, which the program takes into account when making the schedule to have at least one of each person at all times. Now let's say that John comes in one day and says that he can no longer work Thursdays, but he could work Sundays instead. You could simply go into John's field of data, select Sunday, deselect Thursday, click Generate, and a new schedule is made to accommodate John's new time constraints. And the best part is that this process takes mere seconds rather than what it currently takes a manager to take, what it currently takes a manager about an hour or 2 hours to make. Now, the market, this is actually a really barely tapped market, because in the past, the work week was 8 to 5, Monday through Friday, and baseball and NASCAR were America's two most popular sports. There was no need to worry about if a worker was available or not, because a worker was always available during this time frame. However, the future is very different, and we could see some of the effects now. The freelance and gig economy are growing. Large corporations with large populations of temporary employees, such as fast food or retail industries, are growing, and nonprofits are getting more volunteers. Each one of these freelancers, employees, and volunteers now want to attend certain events during random hours of a 24-hour day, and almost every business now wants employees to work stranger hours in a 24-hour day. Now, of course, there are many competitors out there for our scheduling software. There's Zip Scheduler, TrackSmart, ShiftBoard, and T-Sheets, just to name a few. Although each one of these has pros and cons, and many features that are present in our software, none of them at all have the auto scheduling feature that our software is built around.
We advertise all the product through online ads and emails to employees and managers. Our revenue will be supplied into two methods. Part of it will come from full purchase of the software, which will be paid in one large payment. The other part of our revenue will come from those who wish to use our product on a monthly basis. With their monthly subscription, they can pay small amount each month to continue to use our software. If they believe that the month price is better, suited to however long they need to serve it. Our customer lifetime value is projected to be about 200 per consumer. We feel that our module is scalable to national and global markets. To bring the project to life, it needs to a team with a proper skill set. This includes the programming knowledge to write the programs necessary algorithms, input output function, and file operation. It will also require the right markets to do proper research and develop for our product and advertise to our developed customer archetype. We may still need a mentor to help in refining the code behind our software.
Alright, so for the thing that we have already did is about the programming experiences and financial knowledge. Since our products need to know what's going on with the market, so we need to have a more financial knowledge and about know what is customer needs for that. And also, one of our teammates have the programming experience about how to make the products become better and better. So that's the thing we have already did. And the thing that we are doing right now is we need to make the algorithm better, and we need to gain more market knowledge and to get more connections with like the different softwares or different customers review. In the future, we still need to make our products become better. So we need to improve the level of the core algorithm. Basically, for this one, we still need a sponsor for our products. So we need a larger pool of a scheduler, and also we need the since it probably have more people use in the future. So we still need the bigger server and the better program to do that. And also we want to put our software to the cell phone or some other mobile devices.
Some interviews to future customers, the team felt really good when one of these future customers told us that he definitely thinks that this product will help us at his restaurant. So this is a direct quote from one of the people that we interview. So it's easy to see that both the employees and the managers dislike the scheduling process. So we think that we are in the right track.